Hey, all you YouTubers and my, I think, 7 subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing. Figured I'd give a quick little overview of my main scope. It's an AN USM 281C oscilloscope. Badged here is OS 245PU oscilloscope. Tektronix is who manufactured this. Power control. Right on. Got a pretty good power up time. See, we got a trace there. Trace intensity. Critical illumination. We're going to use the HP 200 CD frequency generator. Make some waveforms. Up in there. Switch on the signal generator. Of course, it has to warm up as well. And we have a waveform. So we have our time-based controls. Switch is a little touchy on the signal generator. So we have our position control. I'm using the right hand channel plug-in. Single input. I can have multiple traces. This is a multiple trace scope. As far as trigger source, alright. Of course, untriggered. Of course, our volts of division. Switch is a little funky, but it's okay. Mag, polarity, of course DC, AC, ground, coupling, gain adjustment. Of course our trace rotation, I just adjusted that so the trace is more square than it was when I got it. This has a delay to trigger time base. Let's see if we can zoom in on it. These controls right here. You gotta love the action of these old controls. Of course, over here's the dual trace plug-in. I'm not using it, of course, because I don't need dual traces. But with a dual trace plug-in here and a single trace plug-in here, This can be a triple trace scope. I got this from, I believe it was Fair Radio Sales. Surplus Sales of Nebraska advertised them, but they were sold out, so I believe mine came from Fair Radio Sales. Also has a nice cover, comes with it. The cover just goes over the front, latches down on either side. Take loose this here. You can store things in. I believe I had to purchase that extra. The cover did not come with the scope. It's a fully portable scope. The military manuals that I can find online to it refer to using it to repair a battle tank turret. This oscilloscope is very heavy. I can just imagine trying to climb up the side of a tank while lugging this thing behind you. I can see why they sold it on the surplus market. It's a little overkill. Turn the intensity up so you get a good view of that nice Tektronix trace. It's one thing I like about a Tektronix scope. They make a really good trace. Of course, it has the 1-volt square wave calibrator. I can give you an example of. Shut the frequency gen down. You need to stick it there. On it. Calibration might be a little off, but it's close enough for me. This, everybody, is the AN USM 281C oscilloscope. Has some additional jacks in the back that we'll go into in a future video once I figure out how to use them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a good day.